Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change equalizer settings for Steelseries Arctis Pro with Game Dac. And to do this, here I have a GG software downloaded, and in the engine there's a Game Dac. We're gonna click on that, and here scroll down for the equalizer. You can also open it in a full page. And in the equalizer, you'll be able to adjust any of its settings like this. And also there's presets that you can change between custom, and here you can adjust it yourself in a flat, bass boost, reference, and smiley. And that's basically all of the equalizer settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.